I'll give you a very good example. Kukiland Territorial Council was evolved. Today, what is happening in that area? That is peaceful. The SoO operations were planned by the Indian Army with the final focus that once they, do the ceasefire and they are not indulging. And in the last so many years, we have not actually heard about any incidents in the hill area. I was there in 1982. There was a huge ambush en route to Cruise, where 21 jawans of the Indian Army, including one officer, were killed. This is not happening in the hill areas. All the happenings have been in the valley, including the killing of a colonel just I think 2 years back with his family. So what I'm trying to say is the intent of the Indian Army was with the SoO being implemented. Now the next step was, which was under consideration since last so many years by the government of India, to impose the autonomous hill council for the hill area. And that was actually going to be implemented. I was quite sure that this year it would have been announced. But there lies the problem that the people in power there, the local power, they felt that it has got two implications. One is the financial implication and the second is governance issue. Both would have gone out of their hand. And this is where